What's up, YouTube? It's the OG back with another quick unboxing. It's the first unboxing in a minute. This came from eBay, so I'm gonna pop it open and share it with you guys real fast. So sit tight, let me open it up. Some Reebok classics. That's what they looking like. Oh yeah, these are nice. Let me grab the other one out real quick. Something a little different. Got your green on there, your red and gray and blue. The shoe is cream. That's your sole of them. Yeah, they nice. Something a little different. Got your Reebok on your tongue right there. The back of them. Yeah, these nice. I like them. Alright, YouTube, thank y'all for stopping by. And get ready for this giveaway. We almost there, family. We almost there. It's the OG and I'm out of here. Thank y'all.